Hey there, and welcome to my vlog. This is my life after 60. Well, of course I'm always looking for nutrition and trying supplements and everything from olive oil to different concoctions that they make. And I believe this is, while I was on, of course, Facebook or YouTube, one of them, if you're looking for stuff, they're going to get your IP number and they're going to start following you around, trying to sell you stuff. So those ads that you see, they're specially custom to you for stuff that you're looking for. Well, the other day I was looking for, I wasn't really looking, but I'm interested in nutritional bars and different shakes and stuff of that, like, you know, protein drinks and stuff like that. And way back, I bought a nutritional drink that had cocoa that was based on chocolate. And I tried it for a while, and it was all right. You get in that mode where you're used to sweet, you know, and when you start taking nutritional stuff and there's no sweetness to it whatsoever, they want your mindset on healthy. It doesn't matter what it tastes like, it's healthy, you know. I'm usually on the go, and I'm usually working, so I'm usually eating nutritional bars and snacks of that nature, your energy drinks, you name it. I've tried it, probably. Of course, I used to be in Herbalife, too. And I'm not a salesperson, so I wound up eating just about everything that I bought to sell. I caught something on there the other day, and it's Chava and tribal superfoods. And I saw this and I said, yeah, maybe that'll work for quick meals. So I decided, well, what the heck, I'll go ahead and try it and see how it works, and of course passing it on to you. If you've tried it, please leave some comments on it. I'm going to try it. 100% plant-based protein, omega-3, with CHIA and flax, 8 antioxidants, rich fruits, 1,000 milligrams of adaptogens, whatever the heck is that is, 17% greens and veggies, and probiotics, made in the USA. Calories 240 per serving. You're going to put 2 scoops of this, and we're going to see how hard it is to mix. Mix 2 helping scoops of Chava with 12 to 14 ounces of cold water. Blend and enjoy. Born in the jungle. Born on the side of a mountain in a small kitchen on the edge of the jungle. We had set out on a nutritional adventure to find the most exotic, nutrient-rich superfoods. We're at these days, looking for superfoods. Used and revered by tribal cultures for centuries. Early one morning, while grinding and blending ingredients, an idea came to us. What if we could combine all the best superfoods and nutritions into a single ready-to-go meal? Meal is nourished our bodies, control our cravings, and sustained us on the journey of life. After years of obsessive refinement, we're excited to share this labor of love and hope it helps you reach your own goals and fuel your own adventures. So, we're going to try this and see what a blend of organic superfoods and plant-based proteins inspired by ancient wisdom, all your essential nutrients in one whole body meal. And that's kind of what I was looking for, because I'm always on the go. I even have a hard time drinking water, so I got to have water with me all the time. This is the vanilla, and then this is the chocolate. So add the 14 to 16 ounces, 12 to 14 ounces. Blend two heaping scoops. I wonder what a scoop is. It's good for 15 servings. Let's see. Serving size 62 grams. 2 scoops. I'm not sure what 2 scoops are. I'll figure that out here. Expires 8/22, so it's good for a year. On the rainforest trumps. 240 calories a meal. Omegas. 9 grams of high fiber, 25 grams of protein, 26 grams of minerals and vitamins. So, all right, we're going to try that and see if that supplements my lunches. I'm getting ready to do. I got a security gig now. And that is a 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Gig at the moment. So that crosses right over supper time for me. And that's usually what I snack on stuff during those shifts. And this should help with that. So, all right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and I'll keep you informed on how this helps me. I'm looking to keep my weight down now. You know, now that I've reached 60, it's not hard for you to gain weight. I've noticed that a little bit, but. I stay right around 145, and I plan to stay around that. Even though, you know, the older you get, slower your metabolism. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, especially if you've used it. Let us know. We'll catch you on the next My Life at 60.